Green card holders, here are 5 things that you must know during this tax season as it relates to the IRS and filing your taxes. Because guess what? If you do not do it the proper way, or if you fail to do it at all, it can end up causing you your green card and it can put you into removal proceedings. We are going to discuss the 5 key things that you want to know as it relates to filing taxes with the IRS as a legal permanent resident. I've been a green card holder myself. I've been undocumented myself, but I am now a US citizen and also an attorney. And from this video, I want you to know the importance of filing your taxes and doing the right thing during this tax season so you don't create another problem as you are a legal permanent resident. And guess what? If you like this video, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe so I can provide more information to you so that you can learn and make the right steps in your future moving forward. All right, so number 1 thing that you must know as a green card holder of the United States of America as it relates to your taxes is that the day you become a green card holder, the day you become a legal permanent resident, you are taxed like a US citizen worldwide. Yes, every single country. So if you have a business in your home country, if you have businesses all over the world, side hustle, side business, properties generating income, you must report it. It is required that you report it just like a United States citizen. Yes, you'll have your accountant and your tax professionals file loopholes, but the baseline is your income worldwide, you are taxed on it and you must file that in your tax return. All right, number 2, the thing that you must know as a green card holder is that you must file the tax form 1040, right? Not tax form 1040 NR. Why? Because you are stating that you are a resident. You must use that form. If you use the 1040 NR, you are basically saying that you are not really a resident, and the IRS can also see this as you making a deliberate misrepresentation, and they can even use it to say that you are abandoning your legal permanent resident status. So very important to know that you are filling out the right form. And guess what? If you do not do that, it goes into number 3, which is how will you not filing your taxes and not doing it the correct way affect your naturalization when it's time for you to transition from an LPR, a green card holder, to now a naturalized citizen? You are rated based on your good moral character when you are filing for citizenship. So if you have outstanding taxes that you haven't resolved, if your tax bill is too big and you have not even made an attempt to resolve it with the IRS, that will affect your good moral character and may disqualify you from filing for your citizenship. But even worse than that, if you are found to intentionally not file your taxes or intentionally trying to evade the IRS, yes, you can be charged with a felony, and that would subject you to being inadmissible and now ending you up in removal proceedings. So it's extremely important that you are representing the right facts on your tax documents. And number 4, there are tax breaks for green card holders, right? So you must be wondering, there has to be some type of upside with the IRS and being a green card holder, especially because you still are a citizen to another country. So you are allowed to write off dollar for dollar any taxes that you have paid in any other foreign country, right? So that is definitely one write-off that you are entitled to. Any taxes that you paid in any other country, you get to write that off dollar for dollar. And secondly, the foreign earned income exclusion. You are entitled to $130,000 tax write-off for income that is earned outside of the country with Form 2555. So definitely some important things that you need to know as it relates to some type of tax breaks as it relates to you being a green card holder. And also, last but not least, as it relates to the tax breaks that green card holders get, is that some countries have unique tax treaties with the US. So you need to look up those tax treaties because there might be some additional benefits as it relates to taxes and tax benefits and tax write-offs if your country has a tax treaty with the United States. And last but not least, the thing that all green card holders you must know is that IRS shares data with ICE. Yes, IRS shares data with ICE. So if you fill out a tax document and you are now petitioning for someone, even after you have naturalized and you are petitioning for someone and it doesn't align with that new petition, they can find you to be making a misrepresentation. Also, if for some reason you received a removal order as our green card holder, right? That means, well, of course, you would have lost your green card status. However, that information can be shared with ICE and they know your location. A federal judge recently ruled that the IRS illegally shared over 42,000 immigrants' information to ICE, right? And there is barely any way to stop this process as of right now unless there is some type of legislation to prevent it. So what it means is that anytime you fill out any type of tax document, it is on your permanent file as a green card holder to even when you are naturalized. So if there's any misrepresentation or if one tax return does not line up with any type of forms that you are filling out or the information doesn't align with now a spouse that you are petitioning for or a child that you are petitioning for, it can create issues. So those are the things that you must know as it relates to the IRS if you are a green card holder during this tax season. People, you must file. It's not like your home country. I hope this video helps. And again, if it was insightful, provided some type of education, or you know someone who might benefit from it during this tax season as a green card holder trying to transition to a naturalized US citizen, please like, share, and subscribe at Attorney Sékou.